Satoshis, Bitcoin's smallest unit. When people think about Bitcoin, they often imagine buying a whole coin. But Bitcoin is designed to be highly divisible, allowing anyone to own and transact with tiny fractions. The smallest possible unit is called a Satoshi, and understanding this concept is fundamental to grasping how Bitcoin works as a practical currency. So what exactly is a Satoshi? A Satoshi is the smallest unit of Bitcoin that can be recorded on the blockchain. It represents 100 millionth of a single Bitcoin, or 0.000000001 Bitcoin. This tiny denomination is named after Bitcoin's pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, in honor of their revolutionary contribution to digital currency. Let's look at the mathematics. 1 Bitcoin equals exactly 100 million Satoshis. This relationship exists because Bitcoin is divisible to 8 decimal places. When you see the number 0.000000001, that represents a single Satoshi, the fundamental building block of all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin's 8 decimal place system creates a hierarchy of units. One whole Bitcoin contains 100 million Satoshis. 0.1 Bitcoin equals 10 million Satoshis. 0.01 Bitcoin equals 1 million Satoshis. And 0.001 Bitcoin equals 100,000 Satoshis. This flexible system allows for transactions of any size. Why do Satoshis matter? First, they make Bitcoin accessible at any price point. Even if 1 Bitcoin costs tens of thousands of dollars, anyone can start with just a few Satoshis. Second, Satoshis enable microtransactions and precise payments. You can send exactly the amount needed, down to the smallest fraction. Third, they're perfect for global remittances and small purchases, making Bitcoin practical for everyday use around the world. Let's compare Bitcoin's divisibility to traditional currency. Bitcoin divides down to 8 decimal places, with the Satoshi as its smallest unit. The United States dollar, by contrast, only divides to 2 decimal places, with the cent as its smallest unit. This means Bitcoin is 1 million times more divisible than the dollar, providing far greater precision for digital transactions. Here's the key takeaway. Satoshis make Bitcoin infinitely divisible and accessible to everyone. Remember, 100 million Satoshis equals 1 Bitcoin. This means no amount is too small to transact with Bitcoin. Whether you're sending a fraction of a cent or thousands of dollars, Satoshis provide the flexibility needed for the digital economy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.